Hi, it's Cathy with Her Certified, and I have a special guest today. I'm very fortunate. I have Lacey with me. She is the top saleswoman at the Audi of Arrowhead, right in my home state of Arizona. So we have a couple of questions for you. So Lacey, I'm so excited that I actually have someone that knows everything about this vehicle, way more than I do. So my question is, with this particular model, who's your perfect match? Yes. Perfect consumer.
So our perfect buyer is basically somebody who wants the perfect blend of luxury and performance. So Audi obviously is a luxury brand, but if you want something that's going to give you that extra power, that extra performance, the 0 to 60, the torque, that is going to be the SQ6. So with this, you have a V6 engine, but that's not it. You also get the interior feel of what a sports car is. So you look inside, you have the red seatbelts, you have the Alcantara leather, you have the carbon fiber, the red stitching. So all of that blends together, not just performance, but the sport aesthetic.
Perfect. And we know I like red. So the other thing is the Quattro. And I'm so impressed because it lights up at night and I see Quattro in red. So what does Quattro represent for the brand, or for any other brand for sure?
Yeah. So in the 80s and 90s, Audi actually innovated the Quattro all-wheel drive system in the rally racing world. So with the rally racing, basically, they innovated the system for the all-wheel drive. They used to do either rear-wheel drive or front-wheel drive, but Audi came out with this all-wheel drive option, which basically changed the entire game in the rally racing world, and the competition couldn't keep up. They realized that Audi was outperforming every single car after every single race. And so it basically got to the point where people thought Audi was using some crazy innovation that was not legal in the rally racing world. Right. But it turns out that they were using just an all-wheel drive system. So it actually everyone else had to change their all-wheel drive or their drive system in order to keep up. So that is what Audi implements in all of its passenger vehicles, because it wants its passengers, it wants its drivers to experience that same feel, that same experience that rally racing that we did during that time. So yeah, that's basically what the Quattro all-wheel drive system is. It's just an innovation that Audi came out with that basically grips unlike any other all-wheel drive system. Instead of just when the car slips, it actually activates at all times.
That's interesting. You brought up a point, Lacey. I was telling you that I have this friend who has the Audi Sport, and they're expecting their first baby. And could we consider this then something where you put that first car seat in? They still get that testosterone kind of feel with the Quattro, etc. That's excellent. And the other thing I'm always explaining about Audi is that the 4 circles are not the Olympics with one extra little thing there. And is that a big part of why do people want to buy an Audi versus a Mercedes-Benz, a Lexus? What is it about Audi that your clients tell you?
So I don't think everybody knows this, but the Audi heritage is what's so special about Audi. So during the Great Depression, Audi actually was formed by 4 groups, and that's what the 4 groups represent, the 4 rings. So not a lot of people know that. So it's really the heritage. It represents resilience during a very difficult time, and community coming together to build one brand that actually ended up being one of the most incredible, innovative competitors in the car industry. So yeah, basically Audi came together with those four brands to create one. And so that's what Audi represents. I think Audi DNA, Audi heritage, Audi symbolism is what makes it such a special brand.
This is great. I think that Lacey is an absolute perfect representative for the brand and certainly for the dealership. So I'm going to take some photos later, but in the meantime, Lacey, thank you very much. Again, top saleswoman over at Audi of Arrowhead. So see you later, and it's Cathy and Lacey from
Have a good one.
Her Certified.